Choosing the right impact wrench can save hours of frustration in the garage or shop. The best air impact gun for automotive work depends on torque needs, drive size, and how often you'll use it. Here's what actually matters. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT 20V Air Impact Gun. The DEWALT 20V cordless impact wrench is one of those tools that earns its place in a serious mechanics arsenal almost immediately. Running on a 20-volt battery platform rather than an air compressor, it gives you genuine freedom of movement around a vehicle without dragging hose lines across the floor, a practical advantage most shop veterans genuinely appreciate. The headline numbers are hard to ignore: 1,030 foot-pounds of max fastening torque and a breakaway torque rating pushing 1,400 foot-pounds, which puts it firmly in the category of tools capable of handling wheel lugs, concrete anchor bolts, and large pipe flanges without breaking a sweat. What sets it apart from many cordless rivals is the 4-mode speed selector paired with a variable speed trigger, letting you dial in exactly the power level you need, whether you're running down lug nuts quickly or carefully seating a softer fastener where over-tightening would cause real problems. DEWALT built in a specific feature to address that over-tightening risk, and it works noticeably well during repetitive fastening tasks on an assembly or repair line. The built-in LED work light is a small but genuinely useful touch when you're working under a vehicle or inside an engine bay where natural light disappears fast. Battery guard technology cushions the connection between the battery and the tool body, reducing vibration transfer and extending overall battery service life across thousands of cycles.
Number 2. Trivd Frol 5,000 RPM Air Impact Gun. When the job calls for a full 1-inch drive and the torque to match, the Trivd Frol 5,000 RPM steps into territory that most half-inch tools simply can't reach. With a maximum torque output of 3,550 foot-pounds and a free speed rating of 5,000 RPM, this is unmistakably a heavy-duty pneumatic tool designed for industrial-grade applications. Think of heavy truck work, large equipment teardowns, and stubborn industrial fasteners that laugh at smaller wrenches. The pinless clutch mechanism at the heart of this tool is worth highlighting because it directly contributes to smoother power delivery and reduced internal wear over time, which translates to longer service intervals and fewer breakdowns mid-job. The housing is constructed from premium aluminum alloy with a dedicated anti-rust and corrosion-resistant surface treatment, so working in wet or chemically active environments won't rapidly degrade the tool's exterior or internal integrity. That said, the manufacturer does recommend lubricating the air mechanism before initial use and periodically thereafter, a small maintenance habit that pays dividends in longevity. The dual handle configuration deserves attention too. It provides considerably better control over a tool generating this level of torque, reducing operator fatigue during extended sessions. The extended anvil design also makes it possible to reach fasteners in recessed or tight locations that a standard length tool simply can't access cleanly.
Number 3. Trivd's 6,000 RPM Frol Air Impact Gun. Sitting in a practical sweet spot between lighter half-inch tools and the raw bulk of a 1-inch drive, the Trivd 6,000 RPM Frol operates on a 3/4-inch drive and delivers performance numbers that will satisfy most demanding automotive and industrial users. The cold-forged twin-hammer impact mechanism is the real story here. Cold forging produces denser, stronger internal components compared to conventional casting. And when paired with a twin-hammer design, the result is a smoother, more consistent power delivery up to the 2,100 foot-pounds maximum torque rating. The 6,000 RPM free speed is also notably higher than many competitors in this drive category, meaning faster bolt removal when working through a large volume of fasteners. The alloy steel construction used throughout the body contributes meaningfully to impact resistance, which matters when you're working in environments where the tool gets knocked around, dropped occasionally, or exposed to harsh conditions. The rubber housing overlay provides a secondary layer of protection, while simultaneously improving grip security during high-torque application, a sensible ergonomic decision.
At 8.15 pounds, the tool sits in a reasonable weight range for its size and power output. Heavy enough to feel substantial, but not so cumbersome that extended use becomes punishing. The ergonomic handle geometry and improved trigger design contribute to fatigue reduction across longer work sessions, which mechanics doing high-volume work will notice quickly.
Number 4. AEROPRO 1380 FT Air Impact Gun. The AEROPRO 1380 FT takes a traditional half-inch drive format and pushes it toward the upper end of what that drive size can realistically handle, making it a compelling option for tire shops and suspension specialists who need reliable high-torque output without stepping up to a larger, heavier tool. The 45mm cylinder, paired with a twin hammer mechanism, produces a maximum loosening torque of 1,380 foot-pounds, notably higher than its working torque of 810 foot-pounds, which is exactly the capability you want when facing corroded or over-tightened fasteners that have been on a vehicle through multiple winters. The 7,800 RPM free speed is genuinely impressive for a half-inch pneumatic, contributing to fast bolt removal during high-volume tire work. Material quality is one of the more distinctive aspects of this tool. The internal components are reportedly manufactured from military-grade bow steel alloys, and the anti-aging valve contributes to better long-term sealing performance, details that matter when a tool runs continuously through a professional shop day. The center of gravity design positions weight distribution toward the middle of the tool rather than the front, which reduces the perceived forward heaviness that fatigues the wrist during extended use. The orbital trigger design improves the feel and response during operation. Rear exhaust routing is another practical feature, directing spent air and debris away from your work surface rather than blowing contaminants across the fastener area.
Number 5. ACDelco ANI-405A Air Impact Gun. ACDelco's ANI-405A positions itself as a professional-grade half-inch pneumatic that brings genuine shop floor durability without demanding an intimidating learning curve from the user. At 500 foot-pounds of maximum torque running at 90 psi, it handles the overwhelming majority of automotive tasks: lug nut removal, suspension component work, exhaust bolts, and general assembly with consistent, reliable power rather than the occasional high torque spikes some cheaper tools produce. The professional twin hammer impact mechanism is engineered for power consistency across the RPM range, which directly affects how predictably fasteners are driven or removed during high-volume work. Durability-conscious buyers will appreciate the rugged aluminum body, which strikes the right balance between long-term structural integrity and keeping the tool light enough for comfortable extended use, a genuine engineering challenge that ACDelco has managed well here. Where this wrench distinguishes itself most clearly from competitors is the 5-speed forward control combined with full power reverse. 5 discrete forward settings provide a level of precision adjustment that allows mechanics to handle everything from sensitive torque-specific fastening to rapid-fire bolt removal without switching tools or constantly second-guessing the output level. The handle's exhaust design routes spent air away from the user's face and work area. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.